What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to link Shipbob to your Shopify online store. So Shipbob is a logistics service that handles like shipping and packaging and delivering items from your shop to your clients. They have like physical warehouses where they can receive your items or your products and store them in their warehouses, and once you get an order they'll automatically package and deliver the product to your clients. And they do offer like fast shipping, like 1 or 2 to 4 days shipping, which is very fast and depending of course on the location of the clients who orders. And once they fulfill the order, they'll give or forward the tracking data for the order to your Shopify online store, so you can track the product or track the shipment right from your Shopify online. So it is a great service and you can benefit from the fast shipping and the tracking, and they can take all the hassle from the shipping and packaging process, so you can focus more on growing your business. So here is how it works. So first of all, when you sign up to Shipbob and you connect your Shopify store to Shipbob, you will be asked to choose like a location, a warehouse location. Shipbob has many locations across like the United States, in many like states and places and locations. So you will need to select a physical like warehouse to which you like your products to be stored or to go to. And once you do so, Shipbob will handle all the shipping. First it'll get your inventory or your products shipped to their warehouse, and when it does, they'll be kept there. And when you receive an order, it'll automatically transfer to Shipbob, and Shipbob will handle the packaging and the delivery, the logistics, all this stuff. And you can track from your Shopify store, you can live track the shipment that goes to your client. So that's pretty cool. And also they have many benefits like fast shipping, very fast shipping. Of course it depends on the location and so on. So it's worth noting first to say that Shipbob is not a free service. They might like give you a trial first to try it. However, it is not a free service, so if you want to continue using their service, you'll have to pay for their plans. And let me show you the pricing very quickly. If I go to pricing and then click on it, okay, I'll need to sign up first. So first let's go ahead and sign up to Shipbob and then see how it works. So here first of all I have my Shopify here store, and I'm signed in with my account, and as you can see my store name is at the top right here, and I have set like a couple of test products. Of course, if you do not have a store on Shopify, you should create one first and add products. So once you do so, let's head to like shipbob.com. That's the Shipbob website. And what you want to do is create an account, or you can log in to your account if you already have one. So if you click on log in here, you can enter the email address and password you used to sign up. Or if you do not have an account, you can click on get started now to sign up. It'll open the sign up page where you can enter your name, your business website, your business name, your phone numbers, your orders, your email address, and so on. So I'm just going to fill these info and complete my sign up and get back to you once I do. And just a quick note, if you do not know your business website, that's the URL for your Shopify store. So to find it, you'll have to go to Shopify, go to settings on the left here, and go to the domains option. So you scroll down a bit till you see domains here on the left, then click on it and it'll give you like your domain for your website. You can find it here, so you can copy it. So copy and then paste it here in business website. Okay, once I finished my sign up or entered my details for sign up, it'll like redirect me to the sign in page where I can enter the email address and the password that I did enter to sign up, and then log into my Shipbob account. Okay, now I'm signed in and it'll ask me like a couple of questions. So just to make sure the Shipbob is right for me. So like let's choose the type of products or categories that I'm selling. So let's say I do not sell any of these categories, so I sell like clothes. any hazmat items, so the accepted items. Okay, I sell items that fall into the accepted. Okay, where do I sell my products? So on Shopify. And you can also skip this step if you want to, so let's continue. Okay, now it'll open the cost page where I can know the cost of the service. How, of course, the Shipbob service isn't free. However, if you do deal with lots of orders and shipments, you can find that it's worth it to pay the price. So here you can find the shipping and rates and pickup and times and so on. And here enter the shipping options or the shipping details for your items, or like skip this step. I'll just skip it and it'll open my Shipbob dashboard. Okay, so now here I have my dashboard with my options. So I have the orders, products, and inventory, and so on. So here what I need to do is integrate my Shipbob account to my Shopify. So to do so, I'll need to go to the Shopify store. Let's close this one. And you'll need to go here to add apps, and I'll need to go to the app store. So find more apps, the Shopify app store. And here we will search for Shipbob. Okay. And here it is, the Shipbob fulfillment. We want to click on it and then click on install. Okay, now we'll click on install app. And once it does here, it'll open the Shipbob page where it'll ask me if I want to integrate this new store, the Shopify store, to my account. So I'll click on integrate new store, and then it'll redirect me to my Shipbob fulfillment app page, sorry. Now I'll go back to the Shipbob page where here I can go to the products here once I link my Shipbob to my Shopify, and then I'll go to my products here. Okay, here it says that I've successfully linked my store. Okay, sync your products, and I can sync also my products here. And to sync your products, it might take a bit of time. So like if you cannot see them, you can manage your Shopify store settings page to help the integration. So once they are synced, once it is synced, so you can view your products here on Shipbob, and you can add them to your inventory. And then once you receive an order on Shopify, the Shipbob service will like handle all the shipping and the packaging and delivery and so on from their warehouse. So they will first get your product and store it in their warehouse, and they will handle all the shipping and all the hassle of delivery and so on. So in the products, of course, it hasn't synced yet, so I cannot find my products here. However, once it does, you can find your products here on Shipbob and you can manage its settings. Now we'll go to the Shopify page here. Let's close this one. And if we go to products and then go to inventory, and once you open manage inventory, you should see an option. However, it might not visible for me since I'm on the trial version of Shopify, to integrate with Shipbob. So to make Shipbob the manager of your inventory.